Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change configuration website password for EDIMAX router. And to do this you need to open this link right here. You can check our previous video on how to enter configuration settings on this device. Now go for general setup, inside select system. Here's go for password settings, and now we can change a password. So let's go for 12345, 12345, and 12345. Here actually we need to go for 1234 as that's our current password. Click on apply, and then you need to log in again. So use your username, which by default is admin, and then new password, and everything works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.